In this video, I want to show you how to put weapons in vending machines and item spawners. First, go to Content, then Devices. Grab a vending machine and item spawner. Place some vending machines down. Notice the first vending machine costs 959 memory. After that, they cost only 11 memory. Now go back to Content and grab some weapons. Just drop the weapons at the vending machine and it will be placed into the machine. You can add up to 3 weapons per machine. Once placed into the machine, you can hit the vending machine and see it rotate through the weapons you just put into it. Now let's go over item spawners. First, place your item spawner. Notice it costs 702 memory for the first one, and then 14 memory for each one after that. Here you can customize the spawner to your liking. You can change things like how fast an item will spawn when the game first starts. Also, how fast an item responds after picking something up from the spawner. Next, grab some weapons and drop them at the item spawner. The spawner will place the weapon onto it. Now start again to test it out. The weapons on the item spawner should be ready to use depending on the amount of time you customize for them to spawn at the start of the game. The weapons in the vending machine will also be ready to use. The weapons will automatically cycle through the vending machine. Note you can place up to 2 weapons per item spawner. As you pick a weapon up, it will rotate to the next weapon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.